kijongi don hok ban shong ban rong ban long nong tawan akide se council kijongi tongin ya shem ya karai akni ga jami ka bamenta balada don kam yami ringin pentingna bagi ni kidorba krai ni kijongi kini banne akati kijongi. My brothers and sisters, the Achik brothers and sisters who are here today, we make this promise before you that COMSO, all the organizations that are there, as well as each and every person of the Nyotrep land, stand shoulder to shoulder with the Achik people in this fight. We stand in solidarity with everyone who are affected by these incidents that had happened in the last few days. We stand in solidarity with each brother and sisters in Garo Hills during this time, and we ensure you that we will stand shoulder to shoulder with you whenever you need the Nyotrep people to fight along you. This is the message that I want to send to all of you, our Achik brothers and sisters, and thank you very much for being here, the leaders of Nanglingaman Achik Dol, or the Unified Garo Organization, the students and leaders of the Garo Students Union, Khasil Zone, as well as to all the Achik brothers and sisters who are here in Shillong. Thank you very much for your time and for coming into this meeting. And this meeting,
kita siok mentan Cipang na uway samlarang ba Thomas Pasa dan kampan aman ya kita ke ediru kata kebot keding kanlip number 2 ban pelip keding kelang banging laju perta kai kata kedai kai LP kini ki artli kini ki fire extinguisher lana kita ki kor ki bor pan pelip ya keding kabelah kelang hagawe na ki kamera parari kajing teli kam nai bat kot amda segi ngidang dai bang pani ya kajing teli jongi nang le sakmar nganam toy ke por ngasgoba ban kon hagani ke por ya iwei naki nangila mo po COMSO ibigay President Jong ka JNC iba kakiteng dote pa naglam dai pelari paranong mehlia ngilo nang le khasijan jap karo ngakwa parang yepi kajang rio kadangkam esra high time bakadon ka unity hapreng jongi kilai pili kumangalong mene ngan senang kalian jauh sibir mendang kau sistem yang way di speaker naglian juga kau udah presiden udah usang na pateng mersing sama
ya entah apa ubah satu nak jawab untuk mana bukan jalan kau acha bang apa betul yang bang so I would like to talk in English first. Firstly, I would like to thank the COMSO HYC in congratulations of all the NGOs that have come here and support our Garo people. Thank you so much, and you have given us the platform here and supported us throughout the incident that had happened back in Garo Hills. And since HYC also itself has come to Garo Hills and conveyed their solidarity towards us, and I thank them. And I thank each and every NGO who is present here that has supported us. And we would also like to thank, we would like to thank COMSO, and ang mga bayi betul mana ya terkebarang ladongan, sengaja sudah bebet keba, unigiman sekarang mukangci, absam khususan kayak tahu cina itu macam apa, atau tu mukangci cina pasni dianggen, mamang halal gula hagija, ancing ni, antang ni, mai lagi ancing seluruh namru ko ancing sancing anggen yang ko ancing sancingen, awe. Thank you so much.
Lakharwai dah diberi kiban nabar, day kapor kapasyalan det, kebayalam yang kini ke sorkar ke jongi dari nak kini ke daw baka ni ke sorkar ke it baka keduk hadok kane ya kini ki mendari ki ba pensyong sir ya keri baka jaj benriu ke jongi kum kisamla ki badan ke jingkit khle na ka wai ke sngi sa ka wai ke sngi ni ai kirsiu ya ki para samla banyeng banyala banyada banaiti na kabenta kapateng kebansawan ladaha kane kapateng kebakarne katne kijing sakano kan singan ya kita kipateng kibansawan ha kijing shisha ke autonomous district council kadai kanong yada kijongi kum kitrai muluk lene kum kita kiripai hapo kari India Andre ke bas ngausi banang mamenta ya kane ke jeka thawan ke bala itu daka sikshit ke bala pengkubor daka sikshidil jong ke Constitution of India kala long penban tangkum ke office sarkar ke ba ki MDC ki jongi ngan keren kerpang nak benta ke Jaintia Hills tapi pet apa Jaintia Hills ki MDC ki jongi kat karai ke baki shim ki haban yok bor na kita ki han ki jongki ki besyong apa sekretariat